Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an authentic Okazi soup, very similar to ofore with a slight difference. This is one Nigerian soup you should add to your menu. Now let me show you how to make it. For the proteins, we are going to make use of some cow tripe, goat meat, cow skin, and some smoked fish. Please don't skip the smoked fish, the dried fish, stockfish head, snails and periwinkles, some ugu leaf and the Okazi leaf. Then the cocoyam. This will serve as the thickener. Some fresh peppers. If you have the yellow peppers, you can add that too. Fermented locust bean, a good and quality palm oil, very important. Now let's get started. I'll start by cooking the cocoyam. So add it in a pot, add enough water, cover and cook until soft. Next, I'll go ahead and steam the proteins. First, I added the goat meat, the cow tripe, and the cow skin. I will season this with salt, some chopped onion, and 2 Knorr seasoning cubes. I'm using the beef seasoning for this recipe. I added some roughly blended peppers. Mix this well to combine, cover and let this steam for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes of cooking in its own juice, I'll add extra water. Then go in with my already washed stockfish head and snails. I'll mix this properly. Cover and allow to cook until the snails is 80% cooked. Next, I'll check up on the cocoyam. This has cooked for 35 minutes. So, I'll take one to check if it's soft. Then, I checked another to make sure it's all cooked properly. And having confirmed that it's fully cooked, I'll off the heat. Transfer into a bowl and then I'll add a room temperature water to enable it cool down. After that, I'll go ahead and peel it. I'm done peeling the cocoyam, so I'll add it into a mortar and pound with a pestle. Pound this until it's completely smooth and stretchy. Please make sure it's lump free. You can also add a little quantity of palm oil at this point. After pounding the cocoyam for some time and it's not giving me the desired results, I decided to transfer it into a blender. If you look very closely, you'll see that it still has tiny lumps in it, and I don't want that in my soup. This is what our cocoyam looks like after blending. Can you spot the difference? Next, I'll go ahead to debone the smoked mackerel fish. Make sure to debone the fish properly before adding it into your soup. Finally, we're done deboning the fish, so I'll set that aside. At this point, our snail is 80% cooked. Next, I'll go ahead and scoop it out. that, I'll add extra water, enough to cook the soup. Mix well to combine and then add some roughly blended peppers and crayfish. Next, I'll add the deboned smoked mackerel fish, stir a little bit, and then go in with the fermented locust bean and the dried catfish. I'm going to stir this really well to incorporate, and I will also taste and adjust seasoning too. I added salt and extra Knorr seasoning cubes. And then I added the palm oil. Please add this generously. I will mix this really good, cover and allow to cook together. After cooking for about 10 minutes, it's time to add our thickener. So I'll go ahead and add the cocoyam that we blended earlier on. The quantity of the thickener you add depends on your preference and the quantity of soup you are making. So you can always check, and once you have achieved your desired consistency, please remove the excess one. Once I'm done adding the cocoyam, I'll cover this to cook until everything is well dissolved. After a few minutes, as you can see, our cocoyam is fully dissolved. So I'll stir this to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Please stir carefully to avoid breaking the catfish, and then I'll go in with the periwinkles and the snails we reserved earlier on. Next, I'll add the Okazi leaf, also known as afang leaf. I'm adding this now because it's a very thick leaf, so I want this to cook very well. So add it, cover and bring to a boil. You can see how beautiful and colorful our soup is looking already. Please note that Okazi soup doesn't need to be thick, as it tends to thicken up when it cools down. After cooking for about 5 minutes, it's time to add the last vegetable, which is the pumpkin leaf, also known as Ogili leaf. So I'll add the pumpkin leaf, mix this well to combine, and our soup is ready. Pumpkin leaf is a very soft leaf, so you don't need to cook it for long. Just 1 minute is okay. So cover and off the heat. I served my Okazi soup with some hot eba. So what swallow would you love to pair with this soup? Pounded yam, fufu or semo? Let me know in the comments. I hope you get to try out this recipe and let me know the outcome. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.